Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to send one-time photo on WhatsApp iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to send one-time photo on WhatsApp iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application. Then make sure you turn on your internet access. This could be Wi-Fi and it could be mobile data. Once you turn it on, now to send one-time photo, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the plus button and then click on photos. Go ahead and select the photo you want to send as one-time photo in this scenario. So let's say this. Once you click on the photo you want to send, locate and click on the one-time option before the send. Then it should say one-time photo enable. You can add a caption, then click on send. Once you click on send, it's going to send the photo just like this. And once the photo is sent in that form, that shows is a one-time photo. And once the receiver opens the photo, it's going to block the photo from opening again. And that's it. So that is exactly how to send one-time photo on WhatsApp iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.